Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start immediately by checking shade and expiry and confirming you completed a 40A patch test. Put on gloves and open bottle A developer and B colorant. Pour entire contents of bottle B into bottle A, cap, and shake for 10-20 seconds until uniform. This activates the emulsion and starts the chemistry. Once done, make sure hair is dry and detangled. Section hair into 4 quadrants with clips, so application is even and controlled. You begin applying color to one quadrant at a time, starting at the roots where pigment uptake is fastest. Use 1/4-inch subsections and saturate each strand thoroughly, brushing from scalp down to mid-lengths. Once roots are covered, work through to ends. They need less processing time, so apply last. Make sure not to over-apply in one spot. Once done, smooth color through with gloved hands so there are no dry streaks. Keep an eye on timing. Consistent coverage equals even tone. You let the color develop for the recommended 20 to 30 minutes, checking tone through a small window if needed. Timing controls final depth. Once done, emulsify with a little water in the shower and rinse until water runs clear to remove excess pigment. Apply the supplied conditioner for 2-3 minutes, then rinse and gently towel dry. If you see uneven patches, retouch only those areas with mixed color for 5-10 minutes, rinse, and condition again to blend and correct.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.